What's up, everyone? This is the AMZ Answers Podcast, your week daily 10-minute blast of Amazon knowledge. This is episode number 30. Yep, we made it to 30. Get celebrity reviews and skyrocket your listing. What's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 30. I'm up here in the dog shack with Noah. Get celebrity reviews and blast off how to skyrocket your listing with celebrity reviews. Guys, if you haven't already, join the Facebook group, AMZ Answers Community. Ask us anything you want there about any of the episodes ever. This is our 30th episode. It's a celebration. Pop the champagne. Boom, 30. The big 30. The big 3-0. We're going to turn 30 in a couple years, and that's scary for us.
Big 3-0. Guys, last week we 2x'd our listens. We had double the amount of listens last week.
We don't like to say 2x, 10x, or anything, but we said 2X'd. But we did it because we
200%ed.
Yeah, thanks everyone for listening. Our listeners are it's kind of crazy to see, actually. So thanks again. We love you guys.
Yeah, thanks again, guys.
We hope we're helping.
We do too.
Yeah,
that's why we do it. That's why we do it, to help. If we're not helping, we're not going to do it.
Nope, then it's pointless.
It is pointless.
Hey, what's a gripe you have?
What's a gripe you have? What's a gripe you have?
I had one. Ugh. The battery life of Windows computers. I just went from a Mac to a Windows. My sweet Mac puppy used to run for like 6 hours with no battery life, no charge. My Windows might run for an hour and a half without charging.
Yeah.
Maybe. It might run for an hour and a half.
Might run for an hour and a half.
Not really a laptop. It's kind of a desktop.
My gripe
is
antiperspirant versus deodorant. There is a difference.
Tell me about that.
I'll tell you about it. There's a difference. Antiperspirant has some sort of aluminum chemical in it, and I couldn't figure out what was making me itch so much. It's because when you try to sweat, the antiperspirant holds it like it's like, no, you can't sweat, and it makes you itch really badly. It sucks. So if you're in a hot, sweaty place, use deodorant. I mean, you still might sweat, but you're not going to itch like crazy. So I use deodorant now, not antiperspirant.
Yeah, I think it's weird. I think it's weird that you didn't know what antiperspirant is, and I've never used antiperspirant because I always thought it was unnatural. To stop you from sweating is unnatural. It's gross.
It actually hurts.
Right. Yeah, let yourself sweat. Just make the sweat smell good.
Getting your celebrity reviews and blasting off. So this is something that I've done with some of my products, where I've reached out to a bunch of influencers or people that have an audience already. We've talked a lot about an audience in the last 5 days.
There's a software that can do this.
What is it?
Not can do it, but it helps. Damn it.
Are you talking about AMZ Discover?
Is that what that is?
Yeah, but that's mainly to get reviews. Those are all people on Amazon.
Never mind. You go.
No, that does help. But you're going to look for people like, say you're selling tape measures again. What about someone that measured construction project? What about someone that gave reviews on construction products? There's probably people like that out there.
How do you find this person? I'm going to interview you. I'm interviewing you on this topic because you've done this before.
Search for people that review construction products. There's somebody out there. I guarantee you there's someone out there that just reviews this stuff.
Okay.
They either make videos or they have a blog about it. And they'll probably have a page where you can submit your product to them.
Do you have an email template that people can have so that they can send out to them?
I do actually.
Okay.
I'd love to give it to anyone.
Ask Adam in the group. He'll give you that template.
I do. You can email them. You can apply through their form. But what you're trying to do is, since you don't want to build up an audience because it takes up a long time, I mean, you do want to do it. It just takes up a long time. You're going to use their audience to blast your product off. So the reason that they will accept is because it looks really good for them to say, hey, I got these free products and I'm going to do a giveaway with them. You're giving them the free products. So they look good and you look good. It's a win-win for everyone, and their audience gets free products. So everyone wins here. It's good. Okay. I've had people do whole YouTube videos for me, like 2 minutes long, doing a good review, which is one of the first things when you search my brand name is you can find YouTube videos about people who have blasted my product off. And by celebrity, I mean anyone in your audience who is an influencer, who has a big following.
Okay, so if I had tape measure, I would search for construction product reviews, and you might find a dude who just goes through construction products and just reviews stuff.
Some dude sitting in his basement. He's
sitting in his basement that gets a ton of people to watch his video.
Yeah, he's been doing it for 20 years.
Get him to watch the thing.
Construction manager.
He's kind of a dick.
He's sort of probably a dick.
Might be kind of a dick. He's trying to be really masculine.
If he reviews your product and you get a good review, you'll get a ton of sales because it stays there forever. A ton of sales. A ton.
Okay, can you go step by step, please, on how people can do this?
Yes. Please first search for your niche or something about your product, reviewer, find people who review products like yours, send them an email. Okay?
That you have the template for.
You have the template. When they don't respond, they probably won't.
No, they're not going to respond the first time.
You set a date to follow up with them. You just keep following up with them. until they respond. One really good email to send to people if they have not followed up with you 3 times is this all right, what go?
Let me so
for it.
basically I did sales for a while. When you send someone an email, okay, and they don't respond, you want to hit them up the next day. Don't wait.
Okay.
Hit them up the next day with this email. It says this: "Hi, blank. I know how quickly messages get buried these days, so just wanted to pop this back up for you.
Yeah.
Are you still interested in showing this item to your audience?"
That's a good one. That's a really good one. I just want to add to that. If they haven't responded the 4th time, then you need to send, is this something that you've given up on? Is this a sale that you've given up on?
So the first time is Adam's template.
Yeah.
The second time is, I just want to pop this back up for you.
Yeah.
What's the third time?
3rd or 4th time is this a sale that you've given up on? Which makes them, it forces them to make a decision.
For the third time, I would go, is this a sale you've given up on?
Yeah, exactly.
And then the 4th one, I'll send people this template.
Yes.
It's basically you send them a picture. This is really, really gamey, but I've gotten replies on it before. You send people like a picture of a puppy. And they're like, yes, it's a puppy, but did you want to do this? And some people will like it'll make them laugh, and they'll actually respond to you.
Yes. The basic point we're trying to get across is do not be discouraged if they don't respond to you the first time. They probably won't because they have a ton of emails. You have a ton of emails. You don't respond to every email. What?
By you following up, they see that you're serious and that it's something that they need to consider.
Right.
Do not be scared of following up with people.
Do not be scared. So you are going to send these people your product, obviously. So you're going to multi-channel fulfill that. Noah, can you talk to us more about that?
Yeah, I will probably have to. I wish we would probably have to record a little short video on how to do this.
Just tell me the basics.
So I'm gonna try and do it in my head. The basics are: you go from Seller Central, go to FBA inventory.
Yeah.
You click on your product, and basically what you're doing is you're manually inputting a destination for Amazon to send one of your products in their warehouse to.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's gonna cost you about $7.
Right.
Yeah.
You're going to send them your products. Okay. They're going to give it out to their audience for free. You're going to get reviews, and that's how I've been doing it.
Mm-hmm. So you said, wait, so are they like giving an offer away for some of your products?
Yes. Usually they give an offer away. They have, hey, I have 3 tape measures here. I will give them away to anyone that likes one of my posts. That's what they say.
That's what they say after they review your product?
Yeah. I'll put you in a lottery or whatever.
So they review it and they're like, we're giving the first couple away for anyone that likes it.
Yeah.
And then they'll give it away.
Right. Exactly.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Exactly. You might have to pay them. Some of them are like $50 or $100.
What have the results from this been for you?
They have been huge. For some of my products that are in very specific niches where there's social proof is a big deal. For instance, one category where social proof is big is baby. Maternity.
Baby.
Yeah.
Women. Ladies talk to ladies.
Ladies like talking to ladies a lot. Social proof is a big deal.
I think construction's a big one because they want to trust tools that they know.
I don't know. Is construction a big one?
Well, that's why construction people buy these brands like Husky, or they buy like certain brands. Yeah, people are like, like coolers.
Yeah.
Like Yeti coolers or Arctic coolers.
Yeah.
The whole masculine thing is like they're only going to trust a couple brands.
But guys, now that you have this relationship with that person, you can deliver them other products in that niche, which is a great thing. Hey, I have more products for you to review. And you build a relationship that way.
Yeah, exactly. Then you can just keep launching, keep skyrocketing.
Right, you can see how all this stuff, Facebook marketing, building these relationships, Google AdWords, it all builds on itself to make an audience for your brand.
Oh, I like this. We're coming to the end of this episode. I want you to wrap up the week, give people a couple wrap up the week, give someone a couple action items.
Yeah, guys, right before your weekend, I want to make sure that you have done a Facebook ad just for traffic to link back to your listing. A simple one. Get a feel for the Facebook platform, see how it is before you do anything more advanced.
Okay.
That's my action for everyone this week.
I like that. Just this weekend, take the time, do a Facebook ad.
Do a Facebook ad.
Back to your listing.
Yeah.
Guys, it's been 30 episodes.
30
I hope you guys have a great weekend. Remember, the weekend, if you're working a 9-to-5 job, you're going to have to lock down into the office onto your computer, and you're going to have to work some hours. And it's not going to be fun. Your friends are going to be like, why aren't you hanging out with me? You're going to be like, because I'm trying to be free of my job.
Your kids are going to be like, why aren't you hanging out with me?
Yeah, it's going to be tough. But you need to lock down, you need to work.
Put in some hours this weekend, guys. You can do it.
Mm-hmm. You can do it.
We know it's hard. We've been there. We know it. Talk to us about how hard it is. Horrible. Reach out with a message. We'll give you support.
Yeah, if you're struggling and your friends or your family are like, this is stupid, why are you doing this? Reach out to us. Let us know how you're feeling, because we've been there in the same spot.
It is hard.
It is very hard. It's very, very, very hard, but you can do it.
It's worth it.
Yeah. All right, guys. Have a great weekend.
Have a good weekend, guys. We'll see you next week.
Bye.